ABC 40's Neil Jaffoon live in South Hadley, site of our Friday Football Fever big game. Breaking news out of Boston, Manny Ramirez is heading to Los Angeles and he will be in Dodger blue for the remainder of this season. Stick around, we will keep up with this story throughout the afternoon.
Hi everyone, time for sports live from Hotel Northampton on the roof where it is blistering cold out here and it's freezing cold, so why not talk about a little sport that takes place on the ice.
This year, they have just one loss. It's 4 years in the making and these seniors want to keep it that way. Hi everyone, time for sports. The NFL has the Super Bowl at the end of the season, but NASCAR doesn't feel the need to wait that long. Super Sunday in Florida with Sprint Cup drivers kicking off their season with the Daytona 500, 51st running at Daytona International Speedway. Pick it up on lap 124. Dale Jr. having some trouble in the pits early on. He'll try to pass Brian Vickers. Vickers blocks, sending 10 cars down into the apron. Kyle Busch is in that mess. He led for 88 laps. Bad luck for those drivers today. Lap 146, Matt Kenseth tries to go inside, and he does. He gets a push past Elliott Sadler for the lead, and he will take his first career win in 10 tries at Daytona. Matt Kenseth, after 152 laps in a rain-shortened Daytona 500, he is your champion. 4 months ago, the Boston Red Sox saw their hopes of back-to-back World Series titles fail thanks to the Tampa Bay Rays. The loss in the ALCS providing a little extra motivation this offseason. Today, some familiar faces arriving at spring training and looking a little leaner. David Ortiz stepped into the cage, took some swings. AL MVP Dustin Pedroia also arrived a few days early. Red Sox manager Terry Francona said his guys are in shape, and he's very impressed with his second baseman, Pedroia.
He's a really good player. He's one of the premier players in the league, and he's hungrier to be better. I mean, he looks like he's in great shape. If anything, I would be surprised if he's not a half step quicker this year.
Home opener is April 6th against the Tampa Bay Rays. Falcons' winless streak now stands at 11 straight games. They lost to the Toronto Marlies this afternoon 3-1 in Toronto. Rob Dahm still winless in 4 games as the Birds head coach. They head back to the nest Tuesday night for a date with the Portland Pirates. It has been a comedy of errors for the Springfield Falcons. They go on a 4-game road trip. The bus breaks down. They have to go across the border. A couple guys can't get across because of immigration. It's just one thing after another. Hopefully a little bit of home cooking will do them well on Tuesday night.
Tucked away in the basement of Putnam High School, Anthony Medina has been working harder than most, perfecting his wrestling style, going from a forgettable freshman to standout senior.
Freshman year, I wrestled 119, and it was like everyone I wrestled from every team, it was always the senior captain. So I was like, oh man, come on. I would get beat, but I think like that's what made me what I am.
What is he? The reigning 125-pound Western Mass champ who has lost just 5 matches in 2 years.
I always go in never underestimating the person and just go out there to wrestle my best. I feel the person out, see how they wrestle, and then I try to pick them apart and see how I could score on them.
Going into the final weeks of the season, Anthony is the top-ranked 130-pounder in the state. A nice title, and yes, he thinks about it. But actions speak louder than rankings. After taking runner-up honors at all states in New England's last season, Anthony has a newfound focus.
This year I just took it to a new level. I like lift and wrestle and do everything I can. I try to eat well and just prepare myself mentally.
If that doesn't work, he always has Mom for moral support.
I don't even have to win all the time. As long as I'm competing and making my mom happy, like she takes pride in me wrestling and everything. That really means a lot. She tries to make them all with the camera and everything going crazy.
Making his family proud doesn't stop there. Anthony has already been accepted to Western New England College and plans to wrestle for the Golden Bears next year.
I just want to go and get a degree, especially like nowadays times and everything. Like everything's so messed up. I just want to be able to hopefully graduate from college, get a good job, have a family, and support them.
His goal for the near future? Become just the 2nd New England champion in Putnam school history. But first things first, Western Mass is dead ahead, and he's ready to repeat. Neil Jaffoon, ABC 40 Sports.